Hi students, today we will do some more questions from the lesson Triangles for Class 10 Cbse for the board exam. The triangle is given ABC and angle D is equal to angle E, and AD by DC, if it is two angles are equal, so AD by DB equal to AE by EC is given. Prove that BAC is an isosceles triangle. So it is given AD by DB equal to AE by EC. It is given. Therefore, we can say DE equal to BC, that is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Angle D equal to angle B, that is given. Therefore, we can say angle E equal to angle C, because corresponding angles are equal. If the sides are proportional, we can say these lines are parallel. So if it is parallel, these angles are corresponding angles. Angle D will be equal to, so angle D equal to angle B, angle E will be equal to angle C, and therefore angle B will be equal to angle C. So we can say AB equal to AC, so that is side opposite to angles. So therefore triangle BAC is an isosceles triangle BAC is an isosceles triangle. So this angle D will be equal to angle D equal to angle E. It is already given, so we can say angle B equal to C, because E will be equal to C. E will be equal to C and D will be equal to B. If it is there, the sides are parallel, so the corresponding angles are equal. If the angles are equal, the sides also opposite to the equal sides are equal, so the triangle is isosceles triangle. Question number 2, the triangle is given. G is the midpoint and G and H are midpoint. So GH parallel to QR. Prove that H is the midpoint of the side PR of the triangle PQR. So what is given? G is the midpoint of PQ, and therefore we can say PG equal to GQ, PG by GQ, that is equal to 1, and GH parallel to QR by basic proportionality theorem. So PG by GQ equal to PH by HR by the property, and this equal to 1 equal to PH by HR. If you cross multiply, PH equal to HR, hence it is proved. H is the midpoint of PR. Question number 3 also, the triangle is given ABC. The points D and E are on the sides of CA and CB, and just that DE parallel to AB. If the parallel sides are given, we can say that is CD by AD equal to CE by B. Already given the sides x plus 3, we have to substitute it, equal to x by 2x minus 1, cross multiply, x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 equal to 2x into x. So open the bracket, 2x square minus x plus 6x minus 3 equal to 2x square. This is cancelled. This is 5x minus 3 equal to 0. 5x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 5. Another question also, the triangle is given, and it is given DEFG is a square in the triangle, and ABC is right triangle at A, and you have to prove triangle AGF is similar to DBG. These two triangles are similar, we have to prove. So consider triangle AGF, and the same thing we have to take. So angle GAF equal to angle BDG. This is 90, this is also 90, because this is square, so this will be 90 degree. Angle AGF equal to angle GBD. It is corresponding angles because the sides are parallel. AGF and GBD, these two angles are corresponding angle because the sides are parallel with a square. And if two angles are equal, we can say AA similarity. Triangle AGF is similar to triangle DBF by AA similarity. Therefore triangle AGF similar to triangle DEF, hence it is proved.